Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make churros in an air fryer. We'll focus on a simple, egg-free recipe that delivers crispy, golden treats every time. Using an air fryer makes this process much healthier and less messy than traditional deep frying. You'll only need a few common ingredients from your pantry to get started on these delightful snacks. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic dessert with minimal effort and maximum flavor. First, let's create our egg-free churro dough. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a small pinch of salt. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once boiling, remove it from the heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix vigorously until a smooth, thick dough forms and pulls away cleanly from the sides of the pan. This is the foundation for your delicious churros. Now it's time to air fry your churros to golden perfection. Transfer your dough into a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Pipe your churro shapes onto a piece of parchment paper, then carefully transfer them to your air fryer basket. Lightly spray the churros with a bit of cooking oil. Air fry them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes, flipping halfway through to ensure even crispness and a beautiful golden brown color. Once your churros are perfectly air fried and still warm, it's time for the final, sweet touch. In a shallow dish, combine 1/4 cup of granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Roll each warm churro generously in this delicious cinnamon sugar mixture until fully coated. Serve these delightful, crispy, and egg-free treats immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a rich chocolate or caramel. Enjoy your homemade, healthier churros.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.